Gold, of course, is the reigning champion, with Bitcoin being the challenger. Gold has withstood the test of time as a safe haven asset and a store of wealth. Bitcoin is still the new kid on the block, a digital asset that is extremely liquid and a favorite amongst new investors. Bitcoin gained a lot of popularity over the taxpayer funded bailout of the well connected, wealthy bankers in the great financial crisis in 2008. Loss in trust of government, maintaining an even playing field and acting as responsible stewards of the national currency ultimately led to a movement that created Bitcoin, a digital currency that could not be manipulated by governments to create out of control spending programs or bailouts. Gold was the traditional hedge against governments destroying the currency and still is, in most investors' eyes, the superior store of wealth compared to Bitcoin. But the new digital age demanded a more liquid, easily transferable currency compared to gold. Of course, Bitcoin lacks the tangibility of gold. It is yet to be tested by a bear market where investors are panicking out of stocks and into traditional safe havens like gold. It looks like Bitcoin is getting its chance here of its first test, with global markets getting rocked by proposed changes in global trade, which will result in manufacturing returning to the United States. These changes will be painful for the markets, causing investors to start to accumulate gold assets over the last several weeks, reaffirming gold's safe haven status. Are investors buying Bitcoin as a safe haven? Bitcoin, although has not made new highs, is certainly holding up with a strong rally lately. Are investors starting to buy Bitcoin now as a safe haven, though, or is it just speculation? Do they believe it to be a superior currency or something entirely different? This is Bitcoin's first test to prove itself as an asset class during this tumultuous market. Will it outperform gold, replace gold, or is there room for both in a portfolio? Only time will tell which of these assets is a superior store of wealth. So, which asset do you think is superior, gold or Bitcoin? More importantly, what asset are you holding, buying? Leave your thoughts in the comments section and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.